use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So are you wired at 0.6 or 1.3?
0.6.
0.6? Okay. Very nice.
You videoed me up at TDH.
TDH, I remember. I think, man, I got a lot of demos. I got a lot of demos.
I figured, I was like, this dude ain't put me on his channel yet.
I have videos for 2020 I'm still posting.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Sean.
Okay.
It's all B2 audio.
Yep.
All right. Rage XLs, dual ones. I got a Ride 7500.
Okay.
Running on the box, 7.5 cubic feet, tuned to 40 hertz. Nice. I've got the 1000.4 powering the 6.5s and the tweeters, and the 1000.2 running the 10s.
Yes, sir.
And the noisemaker.
Very nice.
I don't really protect.
That's a big one.
I don't like it.
You don't know?
It's scrapped after this.
Really?
I got a son too.
Really?
I'm not lying. I swear. The head unit is flat. All those settings are flat. It's just run with it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I know. Hey, everybody give John a like. Thanks for watching and subscribe.
B2 Taco.
B2. There you go. Follow him, B2 Taco.
If you need box designs,
yep.
My buddy back here.
Okay. All right.
You want the windows up?
I'm ready. Do whatever's loudest. Like 35, 36? Or... like mid to low 30s. Like, there you go, something like that.
Sit back and relax.
Oh, really?
You are about to get rustified.
Y'all know why, right? Let's go. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dog like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bag, but can't afford them. Baby, to be a rider like a jet ski. So many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be the athlete. Asking me, I know they mad at me. Now I feel like cool and I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast chicks, watch out my so many bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be the athlete. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me. Now I feel like cool and I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast chicks, watch out like a trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. Enough from trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. Enough from Canada.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me the second. I was curious your bandwidth on it. Your bandwidth is actually pretty good on it, man.
You know what? This thing is untuned.
Really?
I'm not lying. I swear. The head unit is flat. All those settings are flat. It's just run with it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
What was your name?
John.
John. Jacob.
Yes, I know.
Thanks, John. I know. Hey, everybody give John a like. Thanks for watching and subscribe. I'll see you on the next. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.